Hey Mark, it's Tacy from Lethbridge Volkswagen, and here is our 1990 Cabriolet. Nice cold start for you. She hums. There's Tyler. He's our GM. The top is in really great condition. Here's the trunk. It's probably my favorite thing that this has. And this is how you can tell that it's all original. Here's your back seats. Nice little seat belts there. Your mirrors, your vents, all the little telltale lights, 104/484. Tape decks, you can totally take a trip down memory lane. Hey man, you can smoke if you really want. Of course, your nice 5-speed. It activates beautifully. And we do have some plastic there covering the carpet in the front, but it looks mint. Just a little weird. This is the only spot that has almost like a crack.
Silver.
It looks awesome. Give me a call. Let me know what you think. 915-0799.